How to recover deleted dropped video on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can recover deleted dropped video on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You are logged into TikTok. You had a dropped video over here, and then you just went ahead, selected up, and then you just tapped on this, and then you tap the delete option. Now that dropped video is no longer with you. How do you recover it? So first of all, just come to the profile and check if there is any sort of draft. Otherwise, what you can do is that draft video could sometimes be saved in your gallery. So if you're lucky, try to look for it in the gallery app like this, because most likely you could have also saved it. If it is saved, that's perfectly fine. If it is not, there is only one thing that we can do, and that is to request TikTok to download our data. So open TikTok, tap the three lines option, go to settings and privacy, go to account, go to download your data, and for this you have to request TikTok to give all of your data, which will include your profile, your activity, your app settings, and so on, in the text format or JSON format over here. Tap on request data, or you can tap on download data over here, tap on the request option, and TikTok will give you all of the data, in which you could also possibly find your draft videos that you could have deleted. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.